Since its inception in 1988, Kaynes technology has consistently remained a pioneer in the electronic systems design and manufacturing industry. From conceptual design and process engineering to integrated manufacturing and lifecycle support, the company has excelled in every aspect. Kaynes Technologies' design-focused approach has positioned it as a leader in providing top-tier electronic manufacturing services to original equipment manufacturers, leveraging its mature embedded design capabilities. The company's core expertise lies in delivering cutting-edge original design manufacturing solutions across various sectors, with a particular emphasis on smart devices, IoT, brushless drive technology, and gallium nitride technology. The company operates in three primary business segments: OEM turnkey solutions for box build with 34% revenue contribution. Kaynes specializes in delivering build-to-print or build-to-specification services, ensuring precise and customized solutions. OEM turnkey solutions for PCBAs, cable harnesses, magnetics, and plastics with 57% revenue contribution. This segment caters to a wide range of manufacturing needs, reflecting the company's versatility. ODM services with 5% revenue contribution. Kaynes Technology offers ODM services including smart metering technology, smart street lighting solutions, inverter technology, gallium nitride based charging technology, and IoT solutions for smart customer appliances and devices. To support its diverse offerings, the company has established 8 advanced manufacturing facilities capable of handling high-mix, high-value products with variable or flexible production volumes. Kaynes Technology takes pride in offering a comprehensive suite of services across the entire customer value chain, including design, industrialization, manufacturing, product maintenance, and end-of-life support, ensuring a holistic and seamless experience for its valued client. The Indian electronics industry has experienced remarkable growth, establishing itself as one of the fastest growing sectors. In FY 2022, the industry's valuation reached an impressive 124 billion USD, and it is poised to further expand, with projections indicating a staggering increase of 280 billion USD by 2027. This growth trajectory signifies a remarkable CAGR of 18.4%. In FY 2022, domestic electronics production accounted for a substantial 69% share of the total electronics market, amounting to 86 billion USD. This domestic production is expected to surge to a commanding 90% by FY 2027, reaching an impressive 261 billion USD. This demonstrates the increasing self-reliance and strength of the Indian electronics manufacturing sector. The demand for electronic goods in India is on an upward trajectory, projected to experience a significant CAGR of 10.6% from FY 2022 to FY 2027. Simultaneously, imports of finished electronic products are anticipated to decline significantly, dropping from 30% to merely 10% between FY 2022 and FY 2027. Conversely, exports are poised for substantial growth, with an expected increase of 47.8% during the same period. The Indian electronics manufacturing services industry, although relatively young, has rapidly emerged as a key player on the global stage. The Indian electronics system design and manufacturing market is on a remarkable growth trajectory, projected to escalate from 20 billion USD in 2022 to an impressive 80 billion USD in 2027, reflecting a robust CAGR of 32.5%. Several key factors are propelling the growth of the electronics industry in India. The Make in India initiative has played a pivotal role in fostering industry growth. It has created an enabling environment for both the domestic and international companies to establish manufacturing bases in India. Special funds and incentives have been allocated to boost local manufacturing, especially for mobile phones and electronic components. The announcement of product-linked incentive schemes in April 2020 further incentivized large-scale electronic manufacturing. Increasing domestic demand and consumption, coupled with a growing trend of outsourcing, are driving electronic manufacturers in India to enhance local component sourcing and establish a more resilient and interconnected supply chain. This localization strategy not only reduces dependency on imports, but also strengthens the industry's self-sufficiency. Rapid technological advancements and evolving customer preferences are shortening the product life cycles of electronic devices. This trend is amplified by the emergence of upgraded products and the ease of replacement through consumer-to-consumer websites. The growing demand for high-speed data and premium smartphones is fueling innovation within the consumer electronics sector, further boosting industry growth. Indian design companies are at the forefront of end-to-end product development. They are embracing advanced technologies such as miniaturization, Internet of Things, automation, artificial intelligence, and applications in defense. This focus on cutting-edge product development is expected to be a significant market growth trend within the electronics design industry. By adopting these technologies, Indian companies are positioning themselves as leaders in creating innovative electronic products and solutions. The ESDM industry thrives on continuous technological advancements, enabling the development of state-of-the-art electronic systems and components. There is a consistent and high demand for electronics devices worldwide, providing a stable and lucrative market for ESDM companies. The industry benefits from a proficient and specialized workforce comprising engineers, designers, and technicians with expertise in electronic system design and manufacturing. ESDM companies often have well-established and efficient supply chain networks, facilitating seamless sourcing of components and materials. Intense competition within the ESDM industry puts pressure on pricing, which can lead to reduced profit margins for companies. Electronic products can quickly become outdated due to the fast pace of technological advancements, necessitating continuous innovation and updates from ESDM companies. The industry faces increasing scrutiny regarding the environmental impact of electronic waste, resulting in stricter regulations and the need for sustainable practices. ESDM companies heavily rely on global supply chains for sourcing components, making them vulnerable to disruptions caused by trade disputes or natural disasters. The widespread adoption of IoT devices presents ample opportunities for ESDM companies to develop and manufacture a wide range of connected devices. The growing demand for electronic vehicles create a promising market for ESDM companies to provide electronic systems and components for EV manufacturing. The development of 5G network opens up avenues for ESDM companies to develop and manufacture advanced telecommunications equipment and devices. Developing countries with expanding middle-class populations represent untapped market for electronic devices, offering opportunities for ESDM companies to expand their customer base. The ESDM industry is fiercely competitive, with numerous global players aiming for market share, resulting in pricing pressures and reduced profitability. Counterfeit products and intellectual property theft poses significant threats to ESDM companies, impacting their revenue and brand reputation. Political tensions, trade disputes, and regulatory changes can disrupt global supply chains, causing uncertainty and challenges for ESDM companies. Shifting consumer preferences towards sustainability and environmentally friendly products may require ESDM companies to adapt their manufacturing processes and product offerings to remain competitive. The company has demonstrated impressive revenue growth, surging from 370 crore in FY20 to a substantial 1137 crore in FY23, marking an outstanding CAGR of 45%. In parallel, the net profit has seen a remarkable increase during the same period, climbing from 9.5 crore to an impressive 95 crore at an exceptional CAGR of 115%. These robust financial indicators reflect the company's strong performance. In FY23, the company achieved an operating profit margin of 14.8%, demonstrating its efficiency in managing costs. KAYNES Technologies' return on equity in FY23 stood at an impressive 24.9%, while the return on capital employed was equally commendable at 24.2%. Net profit margins remained healthy at 8.4%, and EBITDA margins were solid at 14.3%. One notable financial strength is the company's debt-free status, accompanied by an interest coverage ratio of 5.1 in FY23, indicating a comfortable position to meet financial obligations. This financial stability is a significant asset for future growth and expansion initiatives. The company's current order book is substantial, standing at 3,000 crore, a substantial increase from 2,648 crores in FY23. This order book is equivalent to 10 times the revenue generated in Q1 FY24, highlighting a healthy pipeline of projects. Kaynes Technologies operates 8 manufacturing plants strategically located in Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Haryana. The largest facility is situated in Mysore, Karnataka, followed by Manesar, Haryana. The company has undertaken several expansion initiatives, including the acquisition of 1.2 lakh square feet of build-up space in Manesar, Haryana. Operations at this new location are seen to commence in Q1 FY24. In Chamarajanagar, Karnataka, work is in progress, with Phase 1 expected to become operational by Q2 FY24. Additionally, the company has leased new space in Pune, Maharashtra, which is slated to become operational by Q3 FY24. Alongside its expansion projects, Kaynes Technology is investing in the upgrade of existing facilities, including Mysore Unit 1 and Unit 2 and Manesar. A substantial amount of Rs 96 crore has been allocated for capital expenditures to enhance these existing facilities. Furthermore, an earmarked investment of 149 crores is dedicated to establishing a new facility in Chamarajanagar, Karnataka, further solidifying the company's commitment to growth and technological advancement. The company possesses comprehensive end-to-end design and engineering capabilities, enabled by IoT solutions that seamlessly integrate smart and connected products. Its facilities have garnered international recognition and certification, reflecting a commitment to the highest standards of quality and performance. With a highly diversified portfolio serving 7 distinct industries, the company places a strong emphasis on addressing the low-volume, high-value segment. It excels in delivering customized solutions tailored to meet the specific requirements of each industry it serves. The company maintains enduring relationships with top global and domestic customers, boosting an average order value of Rs 7.2 million. Notably, its top 10 suppliers have enjoyed an average relationship spanning 12 years, highlighting the company's dedication to fostering lasting partnerships. A significant portion of its revenue, around 60%, is derived from their top 10 customers, underscoring its unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. The company's in-house R&D department is a cornerstone of its operations, complementing its 9 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities equipped with advanced technology and machinery. This extensive infrastructure empowers the company to innovate and deliver cutting-edge solutions efficiently. Furthermore, the company has built a robust intellectual property portfolio, boosting numerous patents and trademarks. The company's management remains committed to pursuing high-margin business opportunities and focusing on sectors with long-term growth potential. They are particularly bullish on the smart metering and electric vehicle sectors, recognizing the increasing demand in these areas. Additionally, there are plans to undertake significant infrastructure projects in the railway sector. To provide a comprehensive solution to automotive and EV sector customers, the company intends to enter the outsourced semiconductor assembly and test business. This move is part of their strategy to achieve a portfolio mix consisting of 40% box build, 40% PCB assembly, and 20% design services. With favorable industry dynamics, government initiatives promoting Make in India, and ongoing technological advancements, Kaynes Technologies anticipates robust growth over the next 5 to 10 years. These factors are expected to create a conducive environment for double-digit growth. However, it's worth noting that the company's current valuations is relatively high, which may warrant caution for potential investors. It's prudent to closely monitor the stock and evaluate its performance before making investment decisions. Personally, I have added the stock to my watch list and I am keeping a close eye on it. If you appreciate the content and efforts, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.